Okay, let's begin. We want to figure out the formula for P of A union B union C. There's a set A, B, C and a universal set in a Venn diagram. So what we do is we start off by introducing P of A, which is this region over here. Then after that, we add on P of B, which is this yellow color region over here. Okay, when we do that, what happens? There's an overlapping region here, if you can see. Before, after, before, after. There's an overlapping region here. So we need to get rid of that region, which is really just A intersect B. So we have to subtract away P of A intersect B. After we do that, we will be left with this region over here. Okay, that's actually the formula for P of A union B so far, but we are not done. We still need this region over here. So how do we do that? We have to introduce a P of C. So we have to add on this green portion over here, P of C. But what do you notice? Here, here, and here, overlap. Before, after. Before, after. There's a overlapping region in these three parts. So what do we need to do? We need to, here's one way that we can do it. We can subtract away these two regions here, which is the P of A intersect C. So we can subtract away that P of A intersect C. What am I left with? This is gone. I'll be left with this region over here. But still, there's a problem. You notice there's this part here that's overlapping, this green horn. We have to remove it. How? We need to subtract away, if you can see, this region over here, which is P of B intersect C. Remove this part, remove this part. What am I left with? Let's do it step by step. After you remove this part, you're left with this. We're not done yet. B intersect C, remove one and remove this part as well. So we will be left with, oh no, my diagram. We'll be left with this region over here. I can just get it to flatten. Yeah, so what you notice is there's a gap over here. So we still need to add back in. So that's when we have to plus P of A intersect B intersect C. Like this. Okay? And finally, we are done. We get our formula for P of A union B union C. Okay? Okay, I should just use the diagram. Here, 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 and then the last part here. Like this.